Hi guys, and welcome again to East Village Cuisine. Chris here. We have a special guest today. It's Christina from Lebanon Eats.
Hi.
We're gonna be doing sweet potato gnocchi, which is an upgraded version of gnocchi. More interesting and healthier. So first thing you should start with, in order to win some time, you just put the potatoes you need into the oven at 180 degrees for 45 minutes. First you have to put like 2 handfuls of walnuts into the processor. Yeah, this is a handful. One more.
Should we repeat that?
It's fine. This is a good amount.
Okay.
Now, 2 small bunches of sage. Exactly the same amount again. All right, remove the stems, I mean. Okay, now we're gonna have this garlic clove. I'm gonna cut it in half. You have to use half of that. And you can do it just like that. Then a pinch of salt. You can be a bit more generous than that.
Generous.
Yeah, all right. And then some parmesan. Do you like parmesan?
I adore parmesan.
So put as much as you feel is good enough. You could, but you're on the right track. But don't make it over and don't make it too little. Like, I would say maybe 10 centiliters. All right. Then you cut half of a lemon, press it all over, make sure not to get the seed in it. Exactly what I'm looking for. You see there? Yeah. But let the juices go.
Oh, I like that.
Perfect. I would stop right here, but you can keep on going if you want. So you want to keep it blending until it's really smooth, because it's actually a sauce. Heavy cream?
Okay.
I would say half of that, like 70 centiliters, that's great. Again, final blend. It's perfect. Try that and see if it's...
Yeah. I think you should taste it though, because I made it.
I think
You
we
need
should
to
both taste it.
You need to try my creation.
Sage pesto with a little bit of cream just to make it smoother. We're gonna move to making the gnocchi. All right, I think the potato must be done by now. Cut it in half. Perfect, that's amazing. Do the same for the 2 other ones. Spoon it out. Try to get, not to get the skin involved. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, okay.
You're halfway there. You're halfway there. Actually, you can, yeah.
Feel it?
You can do that as well. It's the same.
So guys, if it's too tough,
Fill it up. Voilà. You have to be sure that there's not a lot of water in it. So it has to be as dry as possible. It's great. Okay, so we're gonna add to that 500 grams of sweet potatoes, 250 grams of semolina.
all of it at once?
All of it. Okay, so you're gonna add to that 15 grams of salt.
All of it?
All of it.
Okay.
And depending on your taste, this is chili, this is togarachi.
Okay.
So I like it chili. If you want it less than that, you can put less, but this is the maximum you can put. This is 4 grams. You can put like 2, 3. Stop it. Now, 1 egg yolk. You just break it in half. And you put the egg yolk in your hand, right? And you throw it in there.
Oh, lovely. Okay.
Then you have to get messy and just go ahead and mix it.
Nobody goes there?
We will, but you just have to start with some. So yeah, you just go ahead. How does it feel?
So far.
Good. It's always good. So the idea is to get them to do a dough that is not too sticky.
No, it's not.
All right. So keep on doing it until you have everything mixed up together.
Alright.
So we're gonna use half of 1 nutmeg for that amount. Okay. Yeah. Keep going. I'm gonna cheat a little bit more. We have to rest it for a bit, for like 10-15 minutes. So try to cut it into 4 equal pieces.
Like that?
Yeah. I would put a bit more here.
There you go.
Voila. Now, choose any of the 4. I'm gonna take another one as well. Do it together. Let it roll. And if it sticks, you add some flour. So the sauce will stick into the indents. You do the same over again. You press it down and you get that. But you can also do it with a fork. It's not great. So we let them rest in the refrigerator for some time. We let water to boil, and then we add all the gnocchi in there. You know when the gnocchi is done when you see them floating.
Oh, lovely.
Frying
Okay.
with high quality olive oil,
Alright.
some sage.
Okay.
Because the sage is gonna infuse in the oil.
And release of oil.
Exactly.
Okay.
So you put the sage in.
Alright.
Exactly. Move them. Two spoons. And you always want to give a, a green touch. I'm so excited to try this, especially the manchego. I mean, this is my favorite part.
Okay.
So let's go.
Begin?
Yeah, of course. And try to have some of the manchego.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Quite well.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's healthy, easy to do. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to follow
Lebanon Eats
Christina, Lebanon Eats.
and Chris Karam on Instagram.
Thank you. Cheers.